F1 Chrome 11978, here we go. Maggie v Hendo, one-on-one. Who you got? Maggie like a little Tajiri bastard. Probably spit some green mist on people. Here we go. Perez, sure. Alonso Ocon. That is Lewis Hamilton. I feel like Maggie'd have the mist in his mouth, though. Pierre Gasly, Speed Demons. Hey, Locke, I'm good. How are you? AlphaTauri, Yuki Tsunoda. Max Verstappen, purple to 399. Oh, you actually hitting an auto is a good one. Ferrari. I hope it was a good one. Callum Williams for Trident. Nice. Australian. Who has him in 11978? Trident is with Kyle. Congrats, Kyle. Lance Stroll refractor. And a gold, Lando Norris, 41 of 50. Maggie does green piss. Oh, wow, that is a piss take. Speed Demons, Ocon. Bottas and Guan Yu. Good box so far. F1 Racer, that is the car of George Russell. And Gunther Steiner, number 299. That is a pretty good result. Right there. Sergio Perez refractor. Is that Kawaja playing for the Heat? Hey, Andy B. F2 Racer, Carlin, it's Liam Lawson. Max Verstappen again. Purple Green, Kimi Räikkönen. And a Speed Demons, Lewis Hamilton. Now, Maggie's got that mist. He'd be like, behind the referee's back. Hit you with the tarantula, Boschung. Checkerboard, and Hamilton, Russell. Little kick to the head. Good night. Bottas refractor. That is Mick Schumacher's F1. It's been a good night. Esteban Ocon refractor, and that is that for that. F1 Chrome 11978. Oh boy, Kawaja already having an influence. I know he didn't hit that boundary, but bloody hell.